I'm just spitting straight facts, and I swear on my bitch. Got about 11 plaques, and she all up on my dick. Damn, she got a lot of.
Niggas wanna act up, someone come and get your mans. He ain't tough enough for us, he ain't fucking up our plans. All this money in the cars, can't forget famous. Y'all ain't really up to par, we going like Vegas. I be grinding, going hard, you know I ain't playing. I be shining like a star, got the mater saying whoa, whoa. Got my niggas saying whoa, whoa. Got my exes saying whoa, whoa. Got my family saying whoa, whoa. God NYC saying whoa, whoa. Charlotte Island saying whoa, whoa. Nana Zulu saying whoa, whoa. 1129 saying whoa, whoa. Yeah, whoa.
I just see my vision and it got me saying whoa. 2020 bitches, tunnel vision on my ghost. I remember when they said my shit is just a joke. Give it 20 months and everybody saying whoa. Bitch, I'm Danny Phantom, pretty soon I'm going ghost. Right now I'm 21, but pretty soon I'll be a ghost. I am an animal, bitch, pretty soon I'll be a ghost. I swear that none of you can see the shit that's in my scope. I don't fuck with you cause you's a faker. You won't leave for you, you need to wake up. All my bitches pretty with no makeup. All my bitches pretty when they wake up. She's a 10, I'm a 12. I don't need nobody else. All your shit's on the shelf, cause you wait on everyone else. You niggas ain't living. If I was you, then I'd be fucking living.
All this money in the cars, can't forget famous. Y'all ain't really up to par, we going like Vegas. I be grinding, going hard, you know I ain't playing. I be shining like a star, got the mater saying whoa, whoa. Got my niggas saying whoa, whoa. Got my exes saying whoa, whoa. Got my family saying whoa, whoa. God NYC saying whoa, whoa. Charlotte Island saying whoa, whoa. Nana Zulu saying whoa, whoa. 1129 saying whoa, whoa. Yeah.
I'm in the studio, right with a surprise. I see your eyes, I see your eyes.
Damn, I need to give myself a curfew, cause it's only late at night that I hurt you. Though it ain't nothing we can't work through. Hit you with a text and you just slide it right through. I can see you getting lost in the sauce. When I hit you up, I want a response. I ain't mad if you want some niggas on. But when you out with your girls getting lost, girl, what you thought? I'm in the studio, yeah, I got company. Just wanna let you know you might not be alone with me. I see your eyes, why you look surprised? Damn, I thought that you already knew. I don't wanna have to tell you no. Damn, I thought that you already knew. I don't wanna see you going through my phone. Damn, I thought that you already knew. That I know that I got a lot. Gave me a drink and I felt a lot. I was a past, now I got cash. Don't come on just to tear me down. And that's my rule. I thought you knew. Damn, I thought that you already. Come here and listen to shawty. I don't wanna see you pouting. Standing alone in the party, just because they all around me. Don't be afraid, that's okay. I'm still down if you down. But I see you getting lost in the sauce. When I hit you up, I want a response. I ain't mad if you want some niggas on. But when you out with your girls getting lost, girl, what you thought? I'm in the studio, yeah, I got company. Just wanna let you know you might not be alone with me. I see your eyes, I see your eyes. Why you look surprised? Damn, I thought that you already knew. I don't wanna have to tell you no. Damn, I thought that you already knew. I don't wanna see you going through my phone.
like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on a Uzi and show up in the shot top. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go ta-ta-ta-ta. I've been in the hills after parties, studios in Mali. Drinking Danny, all my bitches with me and I thank them for the loyalty. Took a lot of time, I'm still on my grind, only sleeping on long flights. Feel like Chrissy with the music, keep my music, we be dying for original. I've been loading up the songs, stacking them in the bag. Got to blow a label, so it's keep pulling me back. Saying they want their head. Hey, 100,000 of my fans, they be checking on the ground, waiting for a jam, I'm telling you, I wanna get fed.
Hashtag boss.
Asta, chema.
Uite, mergi spre casa.
Aha, iau, sunt ok.
Tu ce faci?
Urmează să mergi de acum spre casă.
A,
Vreau să întreb, ai luat o pâine sau...
n-am luat, dar trec pe la crâșma aia de lângă noi și iau.
Ok, deci e tu pe acolo, da?
Da, da, da.
Ok, boss, ok, super, super. Hai, bine.
Hashtag, salut.
Salut, salut.